mind if I take that just for a little bit?
That's mine.
What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name?
Rebecca.
What's your name?
Rebecca.
What's your name?
Rebecca!
That's right, and you are watching Ryan and Rae make ice cream, and today we are going to make, do you know what we're gonna make? What?
Children.
We are actually gonna use Thin Mint cookies to make Thin Mint ice cream. We actually got them from one of my really good friends, Callie and Peter, their daughters, Cara and Gracie. They actually hooked us up with all the cookies. We did pay for them, of course, but we want to make sure that we support them. And we're gonna have a lot of fun making it. So, anything you want to say before we get started?
Bye-bye.
How about we first start off by saying, let's go!
Ika.
So, first things first, what do we need?
Sugar.
Sugar, let's do it. For this recipe, we're going to use 3/4 cups sugar, and we'll pour this in.
You do the makeup.
You want to use this?
Yes.
Oh, here, we got it over here. You want to pour that in? Very nice.
Hello.
Thank you. Good job.
Why is the milk in my cup?
So now that we've got the sugar in here, what do we need next?
Look.
Milk. We've got our whole milk right here, and we're going to use 1 whole cup. You want to shake it?
Hey, oh.
Since Rae wants to use this, she has a 1/4 cup. So if we use a 1/4 cup and we need 1 whole cup, how many of these do we need?
1,
What's more than 1?
2,
A little bit more.
3,
What comes after 3?
2,
But after 3?
4.
4, good job. So we're gonna use 4 of these. So there's 1. You wanna pour it in? Oh.
Oh.
All right, we got 1. Let's do another. All right. Good. Oh, we still got 2 more. We have 2. Here's 3.
Oh.
Well, we still got 1 more. And 4. Oh, yikes. Cool. I'll do a little bit more because we've made a little bit of a mess.
Are you taking it like a dog?
Oh, yeah? We should probably clean this up right now.
I got it.
Oh, okay.
We need green.
That we do. So,
This one.
yeah. So we have these. They're a little bit smaller. So these are
I
half a pint.
got it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
These are you what mine.
Oh, good job. These are actually a half a pint. Half a pint is 8 ounces, and 8 ounces is 1 cup. And we need 2 cups. So we need 2 of these. You want to pour this in? Good job. Thank you.
I like this.
Okay. Here's the second. Good job. Okay. How's it taste?
Get it.
Should we clean you up?
No. I get it.
So now that we got everything in here, what do we need next?
Cream.
Well, we put cream and you drank a lot of cream. But what comes after the cream?
Never.
Vanilla? That's right. So for this recipe, it's kind of like a cookies and cream ice cream. Cookies and cream ice cream typically has a vanilla base.
One more thing, cookies vanilla.
We do need cookies too. So we are going to take a little bit of Madagascar
No
vanilla.
Cookies.
Cookies? Well, can we do the cookies afterwards?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we'll take a little bit of vanilla extract. We're gonna use,
The extract and cookies.
that's right, those are the last 2 ingredients. Good job.
5.
High five. So we'll take 1 teaspoon.
I would do it.
Cool. And we'll put, all right, thank you. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in there.
Right there.
Yeah, but that's a tablespoon. We need a teaspoon. So put that over. All right, and dump it in. Woo! There we go. So now we've got our base again. Super simple.
Hello. We're not all done
what else do we need?
Cookies.
Cookies, that's right. So we've got our Thin Mint ice creams that again came straight from the Girl Scout troops. And
Awesome.
so what we're gonna do is smash them up. So what do we need to smash them up?
A bag.
A bag, and what else?
No bag.
Do we need a hammer?
Yeah.
So we've got our Thin Mints right here. We're gonna take one full sleeve of Thin Mints, and we're gonna put them right into our bag. Here they are.
I gotta close them.
Good job. So now
I want
we'll put it on our table and Rae smash. That's really good. Can Daddy try? Thank you.
My turn.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Okay.
No, no.
So as you heard, Rae said she's all done. So these we're gonna use at the very end to put into the ice cream once it is all said and done. So now we're gonna take our base, we're gonna take it over to the ice cream station and we'll get it mixing. You ready to rock and roll? Cool, let's go. So we've got our base right here. We are going to move our base over to the KitchenAid. All right, you're getting really good at that. Rae's just gonna put it down, and what do you do next?
Turn on.
All right. Whoa, maybe a little bit slower. Because there is only vanilla extract in the milk and cream and sugar, it doesn't take that long to mix. So let's let it go for another couple minutes and we'll be ready to rock and roll.
And then go and mix it. Oh, you eat it.
That's right. It's been about 5 minutes. So we're gonna turn that off. This is vanilla ice cream right here. So we know it's good. We're just gonna test it. Is it good?
That's pretty good.
Well, that's really good. So now that the base is done, you know what time it is. Time for the cold bowl. Alright. So, got the cold bowl. Rae's ready. Oh, you got it?
Whoa.
That's gonna be pretty cold. You wanna put that on? Good job. So now we'll turn that off. Take this off. We're going to put this into the cold bowl. So we'll put the top on. Turn it on. 25 minutes. And Rae, as always, gonna drink the rest. So you're probably wondering, what do you do for those 25 minutes while you're just waiting? Well, you have a tea party.
They were big?
Yeah, no, maybe I'll have a small one.
No, they were big.
Why?
They bigger than Kyle Boy.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I'll have a big one then.
Okay.
Are you gonna have a big one?
But I have a little one.
Why are you gonna have a little one?
But I'm not yellow, I'm big.
Thank you.
Really big.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Ooh. One.
Wanna say cheers?
Cheers.
Cheers. Nice. Oh, I already have enough. Oh, that's a lot. Okay.
Oh,
All right.
that's okay.
That is okay. We make messes sometimes. Alright, so it's been about 25 minutes. The ice cream's looking pretty good. So now, turn it off.
Ah!
Raise pump because now we get to try it.
Mommy.
There we go. Tell our friends what you think.
Yeah.
Good. Cool, so now we can take this, put it into our container so we can finish up our ice cream.
I'm gonna open that. Give me a hat.
First thing first, let me clean this out.
It's not dirty.
Oh, well, it was on your head, so we're just gonna be safe. You ready to rock and roll?
Yes.
Cool. So we're back, and we've got our vanilla ice cream right here, but we're not done because we still gotta throw in our smashed Thin Mints.
I want some.
Yeah, you can have some. First things first, we are going to take our vanilla base.
I'm gonna hold it.
Hold the cookies? That's a good idea. So we're gonna take,
I wanna open it.
Okay, we can do that.
I already did the up.
Yeah, you already zipped it up.
Huh.
So we'll take our ice cream right here, and we're gonna transfer it over into our nice clean bowl.
I got it.
Okay. Again, it's vanilla ice cream, Madagascar vanilla ice cream. Ray's gonna try it. What do you think? Look. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. It should be a fun bedtime.
Oh.
So now we've got our base all in here. You know what we need now? Cookies. So we've got our smashed Thin Mint right here. Nice.
I got
You like Thin Mints? Yeah. Now we'll take our smashed Thin Mints and we're going to pour them right into our base. We've got everything right in there, but now what we need to do is mix it all together. Ray, you want to help me mix it? Here we go. Daddy will help. And there you have it. We have our Thin Mint ice cream. I'm telling you, this is super good and really easy to try, so definitely check it out. We just want to give a shout out to Gracie and Cara in Troops 30416. They are awesome, incredible girls. So shout out to both of you and shout out to the entire troop. We are going to eat the rest of this and have such a good time. Thank you so much to everyone that watches these videos. It's been a blast making them. Obviously, it's a blast eating it as well. So if you want to help us out, you can definitely subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. But from the bottom of our hearts, we just want to say thank you so much. As a dad, I love making these videos. Obviously, it's a way for us to bond, another way for us to bond. And she loves eating all the ice cream. So we're all done for now. Ray, is there anything you want to say to our friends?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good night, guys.